Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is a game changer when you're working with large spreadsheets because it keeps your headers locked in place as you scroll. First, let's look at the problem. As you scroll down a large sheet, your header row disappears, making it hard to remember what data belongs to which column. To fix this, you want to use the freeze feature. First, click on the View menu at the top of your screen. Hover over the option that says Freeze. From the side menu, you can choose exactly what you want to lock in place. If you just want your top headers to stay visible, select one row. Now, as you scroll all the way down to the bottom of your data, your header row stays frozen right at the top so you never lose your place. You aren't limited to just rows either. You can follow those same exact steps to freeze your first column or your first two columns. This is incredibly useful if you have a lot of columns and need to scroll sideways while keeping your main tracking column visible. If you ever want to undo this and unfreeze your sheet, it's just as simple. Just head back up to View menu, go to Freeze, and select No Rows or No Columns. And that's it. Thanks for watching.